Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute motivation. Bring you another quote to help try and kickstart your day. And here are those words of wisdom. Remember that any progress is better than no progress. We've said it before, any progress is better than no progress, no matter how small it may be. If it's putting you even just one step closer to the goal that you have right now, or the dream you're chasing, then it's 100% worth your time. One single step a day, one single step every single day will be 365 steps in an entire year's time.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.